The first part for the quadratic equation, how to determine the vertex. The vertex, it is very important. Okay, how you determine the vertex.
Do you take two values before and after the point?
Now, from the graph, how you can determine the vertex from the graph. Okay. Yes. So what is about the vertex for this point? 4 and 2. If I will give you more function and tell you and ask you about determine the vertex as the match, as the true or false. You know now how you can determine the vertex. I will tell you now here 3. Yes, look at this point, Yasreen. Yasreen. Yasadeen. Look at this point, Yasadeen. What is, read the value from the x and the value of the y. The value of the x is represent 4 and 2 is represent for the vertex. Okay, you understand? Yes. Okay, try to read this point, this vertex for this point. Try to read, make a line. 7 and 1. خلي بالك يا بنات الله يسعدكم. Read from the x. -1 and 7. 7 and 1 is wrong. Start from the x to y. X and y. X and y. Another one. Okay, another one. Try to read this point as a vertex. Try to read this point as a vertex. Yes. Yes. Read this point. To read this point.
-4 and -4.
-4 and 4. X and y. Okay. Sorry, 4 and -4. 4 and -4. Start from the x and the value of the y. Okay, يبقى 4 and -4. This represents from the vertex. Another exercise to determine the vertex. Yes, yes, Sultana. What about this point?
-2.
-2.
And
what is the value of y in here? 0. Be careful about this point. It's very important. Again, if we have the point in here, -2. Okay, this point, this vertex, read the value of x. What about the value of x in here? What is the value of the x? -2. Make a line to read the value of y. What about the value of y in here? 0. It is very important. Okay. Solve another exercise about how you can determine the vertex. Yes, try to read this one. I will give you chance. Wait, I will give you chance. Each student now try to solve. Okay, finish?
yes.
Okay. X, it will be 2. Read value of y, it will be 0. It's very important. Another one to read how you can read the vertex. لا يا جماعه الاكسرسايز انا باخد بس منه الجراف، لكن هو في الاكسرسايز طالب حاجات ثانيه، انا باخد بس الجراف. اوكي، ليه 0 يا جنى؟ What about the value of x in here? X equal? Read the value of y.
بس لما يكون شكله زي البي يكون الرقم 0.
Yes. Okay. Start in the original. Read the value of y. What is the value of y? 0. Okay. يلا another one. Read. Try. يا جماعه الاجابه مش في المالتيبل تشويسز، ده اكسرسايز انا بس give you الجراف. Only الجراف. More exercise about the vertex. Okay. Another exercise. Look this point. Yes.
-1 and 4.
Yes. -1 on x-axis Yasadeen, and 4 Yadana on y-axis. يبقى -1 and 4. This is represent for the vertex. Okay. Any problem to determine the vertex? No. The last exercise. Yalla, I will give you a chance. Okay? Each student try to find the vertex, this point. Yes, yes, Adine. Vertex as the order there. No, Sadine. No, yes, Sadine. Yes, make a line to intersect with the x1 in x. Make a line to intersect with y, negative 8. Okay? You understand how you can determine the analysis with the vertex? You understand it is very important. Why? Read this. Only read this point. This point intersect with y-axis in which point? Negative 8. And this point. Yes. The vertex. The last point. Okay? حتى لو بدون نقطة أنت حطي النقطة. Okay? Point as the vertex, the last point in here. This vertex, the last point of the graph, it is represent for the vertex. Okay? This point, what about the value? Yeah, 0 starts from x-axis, 0, and in which point in y-axis? 5. And the last exercise, Yadana, tell me what about this point? Read this point. Come. Come, Yadana, read this point. Yes, Yadana. Negative 3 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. Excellent. This point meet with x-axis as negative 3 if we make a line to intersect with y-axis on 0. Excellent. Any problem about the vertex? No. Are you sure? Yes. The last exercise. Okay. Tala. Yes, Tala. Come. What about the vertex in here?
Missing between them is 9, right?
Yes.
9.
Yes.
Negative 3.
You write 9 and negative 3?
No, negative 3.
Yes, be careful. X-axis and y-axis, negative 3 and 9. It's very important. Okay. The second important, this is about the vertex. This is about the vertex. I needed to make a revision how to solve the vertex from the graph. I will end this record and try to make